June 21st, 92, first day of summer. And this tape probably started 4 months ago, I don't know. I know it's been dragging out and dragging out and dragging out. Just that I haven't done anything new, boy, to send down to you folks. You've seen what everything I've doing. You see me doing everything I've done. But this is Father's Day today. And it's just today, dear Dad, I was telling you, every time I do something, I learn something new. Now, there's the fence. This is the fence here, see? There's one of the wheels coming down below the power feeder. And now there's the shaper cutter with the fence cut out to the exact shape of what it's taken off, as you can see there. And that prevents tear out. As I was saying, that's what I just found out, that prevents tear out when I run the stiles and the rails through. Here's another set of fences I got here, and you see this one now. That's got half the pattern on it, and that's for kitchen cabinet doors. And it works real good. Makes a big difference. Big difference. Well, I gotta use up the tape. So I can't tell if my head's in here or not now, but anyway, this is what we want to see, and I know this is because I set the camera before. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it too good, but it's like the old angle grinders. It's been around for 100 years. Only it's a random orbit now as well. You see, it don't only turn, but it wobbles. It's got a wobble to it, look. Like I say, I don't know if you can, it turns around and around and wobbles. Like more or less it's not mounted in the center. It's called random orbit. This is just new out on the market, and it's Porter Cable makes this one, but everybody's in on it. Random orbit. That's new. Here's another one that's new. It's like the regular one's a half sheet, and this one's a quarter sheet. I don't use sheets. I got again, this one's got the bed on it for the peel and stick. So I got rolls, 50-yard rolls. Just pull it off, rip it off just like toilet paper, and stick it on there. So, and then next, here's my planer. What do you call it, a planer or a plane? Plane, I guess. She's got the long shoe on it. Got the double carbide knife, the same as yours. And then over here, it's got the bevel attachment on. See the fence on here? That's my plane. And that's a Porter Cable as well. You actually put a cord on the son of a bitch, about 8 or 10 foot long, so that's good. The dowels, putting the dowels in slows me down. The extra 10 or 15 minutes that it takes, if it's that long. So, like I said, this is June 21st. This tape's going to be in the mail tomorrow, come hell or high water. I got to send it down to you empty. And then shortly after that, we should be down there. It's got little teeth in it. You drive them through, and it flips them. time is it now, Mary?
5 to 8.
5 to 8. Figured we'd finish this one. Seems this is the last one before supper, so. I know you already seen this. You might even be on the beginning of this. Yeah. So I guess, yeah, you'll be getting this a week from today. So by then, I guess your roofing material is all but left you. Excellent, boy. Excellent releases. Cotton brink. That's what they are. Cotton brink. Took the tape out. Take a look. Of course, I still got some more left on here, so. See, now, if it wasn't for the pins, I would have had that pano in there and bang, that'd be done just as fast as what I'm doing it dry. Eh? But, like I said, I think it's cheap insurance, so I'm going to go with it. Now this is my last chance. In case coming up through here I came squished, this is my last chance to get her straightened out. Before a little jiggy jig here. So don't run down and skiver that whole lip right off. Drive them dowels home. Put a little bit of more glue on them. Perfect, perfect. I don't have to adjust that one. Come up good on her own. Let's throw another clamp on the inside. Hold her even. This one don't get too much time to get comfortable. Ain't gonna be there long enough. Raw through the legs here. And the tripod. Hi, here I am. They come off now. Stuff, but we did it on the yoke and it breaks it. You gotta break it. That's with no setup time at all. Put it together and try to take it apart. Can't be done. These are oak dowels here I'm using. I remember doing that when I was a kid. Now again, just in case Mary missed a spot on the side, she was plunging it. Put a little bit of more glue on here. Just put these clamps on now to draw her up. What I do then case there's any spring in the door, you know, working on a joint to try to pull it apart. We put it together and we'll leave it for 10 minutes. These clamps on it as you see it here. And starting first thing in the morning now, we're going to saw these off. This is a 30-inch door. It's 30 1/4. So we'll straighten her out here. See the the clamps make marks in them. We'll take an 1/8 of an inch off of here, an 1/8 of an inch off of here. They're 80 1/2 inches high, plus the ends sticking out. We'll cut them off, make them all 80s. Then we'll run them through the sander. 40 grit, 100 grit, 150 grit. And by then they'll all be level, nice and smooth. Scatter cross grain sanding here. Not too much though, because the fine sandpaper takes it out even with the cross sand. Then I'll take the vibrator if necessary, go back and forth across there, and take the little palm sander, little quarter sheeter, break these edges off all along here like this, flip her and do the other side, and door's ready for shipment.